Hi, this will just take a minute. I'm Mike with the fire department. We're going to check around your office a little bit. There you go. When I go in to do a business inspection with our folks, with one of our business community, and I'm using the infrared camera, we're picking up electrical as much as anything. You can find if you have a particular device that's overheating, and that's where I'm using it the most. We'll look underneath you show them the image on the camera because it has photo capability, and show them how much hotter this particular device is than everything else around it. It speaks for itself. See a little bit more heat in that upper corner. Nothing that I'm worried about. When you snap a picture, you say upper top breaker was the most, you put it in your report for later, and then when you come back a year later, is there a temperature increase in that breaker? Probably the thing that sticks out the most to me is the light ballast. Just did one and showed the business owner their fluorescent lighting, and they saw that the fluorescent lighting was much cooler until I rolled it over to the ballast. We walked through the business and saw several ballasts at a given temperature, right around 120 degrees. And when I got to a ballast that's 150, 160 degrees, it really tells a different picture. What I'm indicating to them, they want to have their maintenance keep an eye on that ballast. It's helping us teach our business owners where they may have their next problem. I see your little portable heater here. When I have the thermal imaging camera and I'm going underneath almost any professional's desk, lots of times we'll find little portable heaters. So I educate our folks about the tip over switch of the heater. It's amazing how fast 1500 degree ceramic heater will heat up a carpet. It's a real eye opener to your business owner when they see that heater not shut off against the carpeting in their office. You know, the extension cords are the other thing that we find in our businesses. What we call them is the little triple tap extension cords. What you're going to find is people use all three of those taps. That cord is not made for that. When you get a chance to put the thermal imaging camera, you got infrared to that, and it'll heat up that original cord that's trying to use three 1500 watt appliances. It really tells a picture to them, shows how hot it is, and besides putting their hand on it and feeling the heat, when I start putting a temperature to it, what the infrared camera will do, it really comes home to them. I get an opportunity to educate my professionals there. What I'm looking at is I'm looking at an outlet that's turned 2 outlets into 6. Probably the biggest thing for me is explaining to the business owner what I'm doing with the camera, why I'm doing it with the camera, and then showing them a little bit of what I'm seeing. Once you show your business owner what you're looking at, you make a believer out of them.